Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Paklite Orlando Travel Suitcase, a classic soft luggage trolley that combines timeless design with practical features. This suitcase is crafted in a striking green color and is equipped with two ball-bearing mounted, smooth rolling wheels that are kantengeschützt, ensuring a seamless travel experience. The suitcase features a protected, lockable light metal telescope rod handle, providing both security and ease of use. Inside, you'll find an organizer and a dedicated shoe pocket, making it easy to keep your belongings neatly arranged. The suitcase's lockable design offers peace of mind, knowing your items are safe and secure during your travels. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or longer journey, the Paklite Orlando Travel Suitcase is designed to meet your needs with style and functionality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and travel tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.